A customer wanted to purchase a wire wrap bracelet and found an artist who did some absolutely beautiful work. But her prices were high. The customer thought the price was too high and approached the maker and told her, "I think you charge too much money for your products." The artist was surprised and said, "Well, what do you think I should charge?" The customer said, "I think you should charge X amount of dollars because here's your material costs, and hey, we'll even factor in to get you a new pair of pliers." The price the customer came up with was much cheaper than the maker's original price, but she agreed to it and said, "You will have your bracelet in a week." The customer was very pleased with herself. She even went and told all of her friends about this endeavor. A week passes and she receives a package. When she opened the package, she found silver wire, clasp, even the extra pliers. Very angry, she calls the artist and says, "What is this? I thought I was getting a bracelet." The artist replied, "My dear, you got exactly what you paid for. If there's anything missing, you'll have to pay additional for it. When you buy handmade, you buy in skill set and time.